Worried customers have been snapping up everything in sight. Store shelves nationwide are dwindling or totally empty, like at this Target near Washington, D.C.
I can't believe what people are doing inside. Shelves are empty. It's like
Let's
we're
do it,
going
buddy.
to
We have a solution.
I don't know where.
Open the
It
sketches.
really is unexplainable.
Wow, finally something interesting for me?
The upper part should be made from the highest quality wooden material.
Wood is
The
beautiful.
lower part should be made of refillable super soft rubber. Plus, it should be able to hold enough sanitizer for the entire day, even for the Hulk.
The render is completed.
Love it. Fabricated. Stuart, buddy, run mass production.
Activating the mission sandwich.